Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. The timeless appeal of wooden furniture and decor continues to grow in both residential and commercial spaces. With its natural charm, durability, and versatility, wooden pieces create warm, inviting environments that appeal to a broad audience. For entrepreneurs, diving into the wooden furniture and decor industry presents a lucrative opportunity, especially now, when demand for handcrafted, sustainable, and stylish pieces is higher than ever. Starting this venture doesn't require extensive prior experience or massive investment. With the right planning, you can begin small and scale up as your business grows. The key is to identify your niche, whether it's rustic farmhouse furniture, modern minimalist designs, or decorative wooden accents, and then focus on delivering quality craftsmanship. Additionally, the growing trend towards eco-friendly products makes wooden furniture an attractive choice for environmentally conscious consumers. With many suppliers and online platforms available today, establishing your brand and reaching your target market has never been easier. This opportunity is perfect for creative individuals, small business owners, or anyone looking to turn a passion for woodworking into a profitable enterprise. One of the most compelling reasons to start a wooden furniture and decor business today is the relatively low startup costs. Unlike manufacturing industries that require heavy machinery or large inventories, this sector allows you to begin with basic tools and materials. Beginner-friendly woodworking equipment like saws, sanders, and drills can be purchased at reasonable prices, and you can start by creating small items such as wooden signs, picture frames, and decorative accents. As your skill and demand grow, you can gradually expand your product range to larger furniture pieces like tables, chairs, or cabinets. Additionally, sourcing sustainable and quality wood from local suppliers or recycled materials can help keep costs down and appeal to environmentally conscious customers. Many entrepreneurs find success by starting from their garage or workshop, leveraging online platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or social media to showcase their products. This approach reduces overhead and provides access to a global market. With dedication, creativity, and strategic marketing, you can transform a small woodworking setup into a profitable business. Marketing your wooden furniture and decor business effectively is crucial to attracting customers and ensuring profitability. In today's digital age, social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are powerful tools for showcasing your craftsmanship. High-quality images and engaging content can highlight the beauty and uniqueness of your pieces, capturing the attention of potential buyers. Creating a professional website with an e-commerce platform allows customers to browse and purchase directly from you. Offline strategies like participating in craft fairs, local markets, and home decor expos can also boost visibility. Collaborating with interior designers, furniture stores, or boutique shops can open new avenues to expand your reach. Offering customization options and personalized designs can set you apart from competitors and command higher prices. Additionally, building a strong brand story around sustainability, craftsmanship, and quality can resonate with consumers. Consistent branding and excellent customer service will help build loyalty and generate repeat business, turning your woodworking hobby into a sustainable and profitable enterprise. Sustainability and eco-friendliness are increasingly influencing consumer purchasing decisions. Incorporating environmentally conscious practices into your wooden furniture business can significantly boost profitability and brand loyalty. Using reclaimed wood, responsibly sourced materials, or eco-friendly finishes appeals to eco-conscious buyers. Highlighting your commitment to sustainability in your marketing can differentiate your brand from competitors. Additionally, eco-friendly practices often lead to cost savings. Reclaimed wood may be cheaper, and environmentally friendly finishes can sometimes be more affordable than conventional chemicals. Promoting sustainability not only aligns with current market trends, but also contributes positively to the environment. Customers are more likely to purchase from brands that demonstrate social responsibility. Packaging can also be eco-friendly, using recycled materials and minimal plastic. As awareness of environmental issues grows, sustainable craftsmanship becomes a compelling selling point, adding value to your products and increasing your overall profitability. Diversifying your product range can significantly enhance profitability in the wooden furniture and decor business. Start with a core set of products, such as coffee tables, shelves, or wall art, and gradually expand into complementary items like candle holders, planters, picture frames, and custom signage. Offering bespoke or personalized pieces can command premium prices and attract niche markets. Seasonal and trending decor items, like holiday-themed ornaments or modern minimalist furniture, can also generate seasonal sales spikes. Creating a variety of price points allows you to reach different customer segments, from budget-conscious buyers to high-end clients. Additionally, consider offering DIY kits or woodworking classes, which can add another revenue stream and engage your community. The key is to analyze market demand, listen to customer feedback, and adapt your offerings accordingly. Continuous innovation and diversification will keep your business fresh, competitive, and profitable over time. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.